Hello, this is Bobby Miles from Texas Skid Steer showing you a Case 90 XT that we have for sale. I'm going to take a slow walk around it and let you look at it. This is about as solid machine as we have on the lot right now, and we have a lot of skid steers for sale. This skid steer is very straight, it's very clean, very solid mechanical. As you can see, it's got brand spanking new tires on it. It's got a very nice tooth bucket, and it is just clean and it is solid as it can be mechanical. Machine only has 1100 hours on it. It's got the Cummins diesel engine in it, and that size of Cummins diesel engine that this has in it, I mean, shouldn't have any problem going 10,000 hours if you take care of it. So this machine, it's just now really broke in. So I mean, it's really a heck of a machine. I'm going to show you run. Anyway, as you can see, the machine is a good, solid running machine. It's very clean. It's tight. I mean, it's only got 1100 hours on it, and for this machine, I mean, it's just barely even broke in. I mean, this machine will last you a long time. It's as solid a machine as I have on the lot, and it's sitting on brand new tires. This machine is ready to go to work today. You don't have to do anything to it, just hop in it and start working with it. Another quality machine offered for sale by Texas Skid Steer. Give us a call at 817-221-4049, or just come on out to Springtown, Texas and test out this quality machine for yourself. Thank you.